Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the most current iOS software. Then, power on your Apple Watch Ultra and hold it near your iPhone. You will see a message on your iPhone prompting you to set up your Apple Watch. Tap Continue to proceed with the setup. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and efficient connection between your devices. Now, let's pair your devices. Your iPhone will display a viewfinder. Hold your iPhone so the Apple Watch Ultra's animated pattern fits within this frame for automatic pairing. If this doesn't work, or if you prefer, tap Pair manually on your iPhone. Then, enter the 6-digit code shown on your watch into your iPhone. Confirm the code on both devices to establish the connection. Once paired, you'll have options to personalize your new Apple Watch Ultra. You can choose to restore from an existing backup if you've had an Apple Watch before, or set it up as a completely new device. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to activate features such as Apple Pay and iCloud synchronization. Take a moment to customize your activity goals, notification preferences, and cellular plan settings. Finally, allow a few minutes for your Apple Watch Ultra to synchronize all your data from your iPhone. This ensures everything, from contacts to calendar events, is up to date. Once synchronization is complete, you are all set. Explore the many applications and health features. Your Apple Watch Ultra is now fully connected and ready to enhance your daily life and outdoor activities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.